What's that? Is that the new style now?
Which one is this one? This one is the...
Hey, you don't have to act surprised. Is that really the nice style?
Yes.
It's like a clog. What is it called?
It's chunky.
Yeah, a chunky style.
It's beautiful.
Is it?
It's beautiful, gorgeous, stunning. Oh my god, like wow. Only thing I gotta be careful because I don't want to get this like scratched, you know?
I think you're bound to get it scratched no matter what.
Maybe I chose the wrong style. Oops.
Is that it? I guess there's nothing else in this box, is there?
Oh, there's the other shoe.
Oh, I didn't notice there was a C over there, but your toes are gonna cover it anyway, so it don't matter. How do people even? Not even.
If you know, you know.
If you know, you know. I guess there's a little C over there. I guess that's it.